we got it. And it's got a bow on it, right? They give us a little guide. Okay. Instructions. It's a pretty simple mount. Nothing too fancy. Ooh. Don't know what that is. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh. Ooh. Okay, this feels very sturdy. There's a stud here, and there's just a stud there. But there is not a stud there. Hold on, let me see. That's not even 16. Are you serious? Like, why is this wall so stupid? Okay, so I figured out what I'm gonna do. There's a stud here, right, which is so far off center, but because this arm extends out like this and like can actually lay flat with the wall, I'm gonna mount it here on this stud, so that way it's like actually the closest to my center line here of the middle of the wall. And so the TV will come out just a little bit further on that side than it was originally supposed to, but that's fine. Like, I'm okay with that. That's what I decided. That's what we're gonna do. we're gonna. All right, but I'm gonna test out this stud real quick, just to make sure that it is actually a stud, like what we did with the other ones. Okay, it's stuck. Now I'm gonna see how far. To the left, to the left. Okay, so now I think, template. But also, you guys, I just erased my height mark. Hold on. It was 62 and a half. No, 64 and a half. Right? Because I was like 52 plus 10. No, so that's 62 and a half. Okay, 62 and a half.
Even just the process, hours go by.
Alright, we got the proper drill bit now. And we are just going to make sure it's even. Ooh, that felt weird. Was that 2 inches? Look at the size of these things. Like links. Oh my goodness. I don't even have, do I have that head? Hold on. Oh, thank goodness. I think this is what was on here before. And it's a fit. Okay. Woo! Thank the Almighty for that. All right, here we go. All right, hold on. Because, hold on. I think that's on there. And that was easy. It's on there. It's on there. And that ain't coming off. I did it! Woohoo! Okay. Next step. All right. Next steps. Okay, so now I have to actually put the TV on. Thankfully, I already mounted the bracket to the TV, so that's all secure. And so now I need to mount your TV to the wall plate. So with another person, lift the TV and align it with the slots. All right, so here we go. So I'm just gonna do like that, and I'm gonna do like that, and I'm gonna do like this from behind. Okay. I see now. Okay. Give me the other nut. And the Allen wrench. Okay. I think it's okay. Alright, we're doing good. We're doing good. Alright, I think I'm pretty much secure at this point. Alright, we're okay. Ah! Okay, hold on. That's it. That's as close to the wall as that is gonna get. Wow. Stop tilting. Is there a way to tighten that? It actually looks somewhat centered. Like it's okay, you know? And now I can sit here, right? I can sit here and watch TV. Oh my goodness, Dinky! It's up! Just look at it from over there too. Ooh. We've got to plug it in. See it turn on. Wait, I want to peel the plastic first or turn it on first? It doesn't matter. Woo. Woo. Not wrong way. All right. This is a long remote. That's a little. Ooh. Plastic on the remote. All right, so that's the remote. Now I need to plug the TV in. Ooh. Okay, y'all. Okay. Oh my goodness, it's on. Oh my goodness, it's on. It's on. It turned on, Dinky. You already like in position. If this is cringy, I'm sorry. If it's satisfying, you're welcome. Maybe that's what I should have did. Ooh. What's coming out of there? Okay, so let's select English. Dude, oh, I did sight.
The video is about to be over, but this project is far from it. We have lots more to do. I want to build a shadow box frame around my TV, and the reason why I'm going with that design is because the TV sticks out from the wall quite a bit, and I can't just put a frame on it because it'll still just look like a floating picture frame, and I don't really want that look. And it'll also give me a chance to be able to make use of this wall space because I was wondering what to do with it for the longest time. And I think this design idea will work out perfectly and will really make it look integrated, well thought out, and just nice to look at overall. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you made it this far, please give the video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And guess what? If you don't like my content, you can always unsubscribe later. Thanks. Bye.